I just started creating the studio. What to do with this wall yet? I have no idea. But I don't have a table there. I don't have a table there that will have my Mac on top. My iMac on top. That's all I know for now. Yeah. They are still fixing the doors. They've not put the handle. Wahala. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my studio. So you guys, before I even get into this store, I just want to say how happy I am that I finally have a space dedicated solely for YouTube. You guys, I've been doing YouTube now for 6-7 years, I believe. and I've never ever had a space dedicated to filming my videos, editing, and just content creation. And if you're a content creator, you know how important it is to have your space. So I'm so happy. This is actually a dream come true for me. In my old flat, from time to time, I'll say, okay, I'm going to be filming in this room, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, but it just never works out because it wasn't a dedicated space. And then my husband was always in the room, my kids were always in the room, and at the end of the day, I'll just leave the room for all of them and go back to filming in my room. It got to a point where I started losing motivation to actually film or create content because I did not have a dedicated space. I know I'm like talking too much at the beginning of this video, but I need people to understand how important this space is to me. But finally, I have my space, a space dedicated to content creation, YouTube, and to me. This is my sanctuary, like I like to call it. Like I'm going to come here, like whenever I come here, I feel peace, I feel happy, okay? Anyways, welcome to my studio. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the space now. So you guys, when you come in from the door, here I have my backdrop. So the thing about this space is that initially I didn't want it to be white. So you guys can see that the wall here is white now, but I purposely left it white so that I will decide the color I want later. So I'll make a mistake now. I'm a bit bored of whites. Like I like color in my life. I wanted to paint it gray, and then I wanted to paint it brown. I'm still confused, but for now, it is white, and I have these beautiful frames. I love those frames, and I especially love the actual frames, yeah, not the Canva inside. I especially love it. I'm going to tag the account. I made it from Hall of Frames. They're from Lagos. Gorgeous, beautiful. And over here, I have this plant that I've always had. I've had this plant since last year. I put it in my room before to serve as like a cute background for my videos, but now it's in my studio. Even though eventually I'm going to be moving this plant from here to this side of the door because I have something else I planned for here. This is just like first draft or second draft or third at this point because I've been playing around the whole arrangement of the studio. But the plant is here for now. Here I have some books. I've read like one. Let me not even lie. I think I've read one. I'm not going to tell you guys the one I've read. Just guess the one I've read if you saw the names of the books that I just showed you. And over here on my table, I have my plaque. So the thing is that this place is not the permanent space for this plaque, okay? It's not. It's supposed to go on the other thing that they've not delivered. But I didn't want to delay this video because I need to start filming and releasing content. And I wanted to like do a tour before I can start using the studio. Anyways, the plaque is going there. For now, it's here because my desktop is also going on this table in my background. It's not going to be in the front table. It's on this table in my background. I want to buy the iMac, of course. The money is no money in, okay? I'm just waiting for my birthday so that my husband will just gift me because it's too expensive. So that being said, this is for my desktop. And over here, I have two of my favorite candles. My Shameless by Nelo Uncut, my collaboration with Claire Marcos. You guys can see, I hope you guys can see it. This was my collaboration with Claire Marcos, the candle. And then this other candle I have here is called Unapologetic, okay? And it's a candle that my sister-in-law made for me. My sister-in-law also makes and sells candles. She made this one especially for me. And this is the sweetest, most gorgeous scent you will ever come across. She gifted me this for my birthday last year. So it's called Unapologetic. I'm going to tag her on the screen. So you guys, just go and order this candle. Like, we didn't even do it an official collaboration. We wanted to, but we ended up not doing it. But it smells so nice. It smells so flowery, but not the type that will make you sick. And also just so, like, put together. I don't know how to explain it, but this, amazing this. If you notice, I've burnt it, like, it's many half. Amazing, it's beautiful. And I love the packaging, and I love this, like, I love everything about this candle. Go and order this candle. I hope she still has it. And down here, I have a gift from YouTube. I got this gift from YouTube, I think end of last year or something. I'm not sure. But it's not going to stay in my studio. I think we're going to put it in the parlor or somewhere. But yeah, that's basically it for my background. Like, so I'm going to be sitting somewhere around here to film my videos. And this will be what you see for now. This would definitely change over time. Like, definitely. It's going to change over time. I feel like every time I get bored, maybe every 6 months, I'll switch something up here. But that's the joy of having your own studio, the advantage of having your own studio. Then over here, I made 2 chairs for when I get, like, when I have guests or, like, when I want to film with someone, like, when I want to collaborate with someone. And I also made sure that my studio is not, the entrance is not in my room. So at least you know, I won't feel like people are going in and out of my room or something. So the entrance of my studio is actually outside my room. Yeah, so this is for when I have collaborations. I'll shift these 2 chairs out in the middle and we'll sit here like we do on Ada and Nelo. And also when I just have guests in the studio, they have somewhere to sit. So I just like made these 2 single chairs. I love the color, and the color goes a lot with a lot of things I have in this studio. Like I feel like it goes with the painting. I had it in mind when I was choosing the painting, and coincidentally, a lot of the books I have here, they just have something orange, and it just complements the blue that I have on the painting and the white and the floor. It complements everything, of course. And over here I have this gorgeous thing that YouTube Shorts sent me sometime, I think end of last year. YouTube Shorts sent a bunch of people this gift. I got the gift if you're part of the Shorts community. And I also have a candle here. This candle is almost finished. Like I wanted to trash it, but I'm like, I like this. Is a shameless scent, by the way. I like it too much to trash it, so I just dropped it here. And here I have my wig head, my tripod, and my light that I use for videos. Over here, it's not cute here, but I don't know where else to put it for now. But it's not cute here, but it's shy here for now. I hope you guys are seeing it. Then here I have my main table for editing. Fun fact, I actually made 2 of that kind of table, the table at the back. I made 2 for here, but it wasn't stable enough. Like, I'm not going to tag the person I bought it from because I made it in Lagos and sent it down to PH, but I won't be tagging them because it wasn't stable enough. So I ended up buying this from IKEA. I actually bought it off my friend, but this is an IKEA table. I put it together myself. You guys should have seen that video by now. Like, it's going to be, it's in this same video, but earlier on, you must have seen that part. I put it together myself. So this is where I'm going to be using my laptop. This is my work table. Eventually, that will be where my desktop will be. So, like, when my assistant is editing or something, she'll be doing it there. And if I have any work to do, I'll be doing it here, okay? This is a video that I need to film, like, right now. Immediately I'm done with this video, I need to film this. That's why this is here. And finally, okay, I have my speakers here because, you know, I like to play music. On the floor here, I have a bunch of frames that are not for this space, but I'm just going to leave it here because I don't want my children to do anything to them. I'm just going to leave it here till, you know, they find their own home or their final resting place. And here I have a mirror that was in my room in the old house. So I just dropped it here. So, you know, I can see myself in full anytime I'm in my studio. I just bought this fan yesterday. I put this fan here as well, only because when there is no light, here actually retains coolness for a long time, maybe for like 5 hours or more. But I just bought this fan, you know, for when I'm hot. We're in Nigeria. We have 247 lights because we have solar and inverter, of course. Yeah, I can use this at any time of the day. Anyways, basically, and this is extra lighting. This is extra lighting here. So this is extra lighting. And you guys, that's it for my studio. It's such a nice, cozy space. And I'm just so happy. I'm so happy that I finally have a dedicated space to be creative, to create content. I was just telling my husband today that, so this is what he's been enjoying, even though he didn't have an office in the old house, but, you know, he had a room that he would just go to and use. I couldn't use it because people are going in and out, and my husband is okay with in and out when he's working, but I'm not okay with that. So anyways, I was just telling my husband, so this is what you've been enjoying, and I'm just so happy. Okay, this is my dream studio. I love the size of the space. It's just the perfect size. This studio, fun fact, was supposed to be bigger, like way longer, but at the end of the day, we shifted it here because we made space for my husband's office. The story is long. I told my husband that next time he will pay me. When we were drawing the plan, he didn't think he would need an office because there was no sit at home then. But then when sit at home started, we then cut his office out of my own. But Shasha, this is my studio. I have an AC there. This AC can freeze your intestines. This AC can freeze, like it can freeze you and your generation. Like, I love it. We have an AC there. I have a blind here that covers the window. Oh yeah, this is another thing. I make sure to put a very large window here. This window is massive. It's closed now because you guys will see my street. But this window is massive. Whenever I open it, the natural light is enough for me to film. So I would rarely need artificial light here. So this was something else that was important to me that I made sure to add to my studio. This window was supposed to be half the side, but I told my husband, no, this is my studio and I need natural light. So we increased the size of this window. We made it wider and like longer as well, so that natural light can enter very well. And another thing I was particular about again was the floor. I wanted this to have like the wooden floor vibe. So this is not actual wood, it's actually wooden ties, but it looks just like wood and it feels just like wood. Also non-slip. I just love the feeling. I love it. I love the color. You guys, I'm sure you can tell how excited I am. So anyways, I'm just going to let you take in this studio space one last time as it's finally done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what your favorite part about this studio is, and also if you have suggestions what color I should paint this wall, do let me know. For now, it's going to be white for like the next few months, maybe 1 to 3 months, till I'm sure of the color I want it. And I'm just going to invite my friends for girls' night, and all of us are going to paint this wall. I'm not going to hide for it because it's just such a small, compact wall that I feel like we can do it ourselves. But yeah, that's it for my studio. I'm so happy, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what your favorite part is, and I will see you guys in my next video. I know you guys are waiting for the house tour. I have filmed that video, but editing it is so difficult, and I feel like I don't like the video because when I filmed the house tour video, I had a lot in the house, like mops, cartons, marbles, ties, wood, because there was just no perfect time to film it. But let me know if I should just put it up like that. But yeah, I can't wait to share this journey or continue sharing this journey with you all. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, trust me, a lot of interesting content is coming your way. A lot. This is time to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.